You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you pronounce these character name from the series Monster? Let's break it down. If you want to learn more Japanese and manga anime, make sure to stay tuned. Johan, yeah, that's a name of German origin. And yes, indeed, in German it's pronounced as Johan. In German, his surname is said as Liebert, Liebert. So in English, yeah, Liebert, not Liebert. Johan Liebert. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.